Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a template in CapCut. All right, so let's begin. If you regularly edit videos using the same style, transitions, layouts, or visual settings, creating a template can save you a huge amount of time and make your workflow much more efficient. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Using templates inside CapCut is one of the best ways to speed up your editing process, especially if you consistently create videos with the same structure or branding style. Instead of rebuilding the same project every single time, you can simply open an existing template and start editing immediately. To get started, open CapCut on your PC and sign in using your account credentials. If this is your first time using the platform, simply click on the sign up option and follow the instructions shown on the screen to create your account. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can begin creating your project template from scratch. Creating a template in CapCut basically means saving a complete editing setup that you can reuse later for future videos. This is extremely useful for creators who upload content on a regular basis and want to keep everything visually consistent. Instead of adjusting effects, animations, transitions, and layouts manually every time, your saved template allows you to reuse all those settings instantly. Once CapCut opens on your computer, look for the Create New Project option and click on it. This will open a brand new editing timeline where you can begin adding media and designing your template. Inside the editing workspace, you'll notice that CapCut gives you multiple ways to import content. You can drag and drop your own videos, images, and audio files directly into the timeline. Or you can use the built-in media library provided by CapCut if you don't already have content ready to use. If you want to use sample media for testing your template, you can browse through the built-in categories and select a stock video clip. Once you choose a clip, drag it directly into the timeline. After importing the video, preview it using the play button to make sure everything was added correctly. From here, you can resize the video, reposition it inside the frame, crop sections if needed, and even stack additional layers above it to create a more engaging visual composition. The next step is to import another media element, such as a photo, logo, or graphic overlay. Drag the image into the timeline and place it alongside your video clip. Using the timeline controls and sliders, you can adjust the duration and positioning of each media element so they blend together naturally. Once your clips and photos are arranged properly, play the project from the beginning to preview the overall flow of the edit. Now it's time to make the template more visually appealing by adding animations and transitions. Start by selecting the photo layer and then open the animation section located near the top of the editor. CapCut includes many different animation effects that you can apply instantly. Some animations may require a paid subscription and will display a pro label or watermark. So if you're using the free version of CapCut, it's a good idea to stick with the free effects available inside the library. Choose any animation style you like, such as a rotate effect, fade movement, zoom, or slide animation. After selecting the effect, apply it to the image and adjust the animation duration based on the pacing of your project. A slightly longer duration often creates a smoother and more professional transition, while shorter animations can make the video feel more energetic and fast-paced. Once you've added animation to the image, move over to the video clip and apply a transition or animation effect there as well. You can experiment with different styles such as blinds, zoom, slide, blur, or other transition presets available inside CapCut. Similar to the image animation, you can increase or decrease the duration of the effect to better match the rhythm of your video. After both the image and video animations are complete, play the timeline from the beginning again. At this point, you should notice smooth animated movement across all your media elements. To improve the quality of the template even further, you can also enable motion tracking. Motion tracking allows CapCut to follow an object or movement inside your clip while maintaining proper positioning and scale. After finishing the animations and motion effects, you can start adjusting the visual appearance of your media. Select the image or video clip and open the adjustment settings. Here, you can fine-tune the brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, highlights, shadows, and overall color balance. Color correction helps your content look cleaner and more visually consistent. Since this template may be reused for future videos, it's a smart idea to develop a specific editing style that reflects your personal brand or channel aesthetic. One of the most important features during this process is the Save as Preset option. Because you're creating a reusable template, saving your adjustments as a preset can save even more time in the future. Once you finish adjusting the colors and effects, click on Save as Preset. This allows you to instantly apply the same style to future projects without manually recreating all the settings from scratch every single time. Once your preset has been saved, it will remain accessible whenever you want to apply the same visual style to another video, image, or future template project. Next, move to the main menu and open the Settings section. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see several tabs, including Draft, Edit, Performance, and Notifications. Open the Performance tab, because this section contains settings that can improve the editing experience and help CapCut run more smoothly while working on larger projects. Inside the Performance settings, you can enable hardware encoding and GPU rendering to improve playback speed and editing responsiveness. These options help your computer process video files more efficiently, especially when working with high-resolution footage or projects containing multiple effects and layers. You can also turn on proxy mode, which creates lower-resolution preview files that allow smoother editing performance without affecting the final export quality of your video. In addition to proxy settings, CapCut also gives you the option to customize proxy size and configure automatic cache clearing. This feature automatically removes old rendering cache files once they exceed a certain storage limit, helping keep your computer organized and preventing unnecessary storage consumption over time. After adjusting all the settings according to your preference, click Save to apply the changes. Now that your editing setup is fully complete, rename the project to something easy to recognize, such as Template. After renaming the project, return to the CapCut homepage. You'll notice that the project automatically saves and appears in your recent project section. From this point onward, this project essentially becomes your reusable editing template. Instead of starting from scratch every time you create a new video, you can simply open this template and continue editing with all your preferred settings already prepared. If you want to collaborate with team members or share the template with someone else, CapCut also provides a simple way to do that. Open the project options and choose the duplicate feature to create a copy of the template. This allows other people to work using the same project structure without changing the original template file. You can also send duplicated versions to clients for feedback, reviews, or revisions while still keeping your original template protected and untouched. And if you no longer need a duplicate project, simply select it and click the Delete option. The file will then be moved to the trash section inside CapCut. And that's everything you need to know about creating a template in CapCut for PC. Once your template is properly set up, you'll be able to edit videos much faster while maintaining a professional and consistent visual style across all your content. Templates are an excellent way to improve efficiency, streamline your workflow, and make future projects easier to manage. And that's it. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.